guys, hope you're enjoying the weekend. Today is kind of horse riding day, as well as moving back into the kitchen after the work's being done for the renovation. So pretty exciting time. Now I'm at the barn, taking actually the dog who's behind me somewhere for a little walk in the forest. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day. So we're gonna just to go and enjoy, have fun, and then we'll go and catch up with Valentina in horse riding. Hope everybody enjoyed the Halloween. Yesterday I didn't film, where we had to split. Valentina went with some of her friends, while Nolan went to play with some of his boys' friends. So we kind of like split it, the family in half, make everybody happy. It was a good time. It was a good time. Okay, let me go and catch up the dog. Waffles is living some of his life here. So much fun at the farm. Beautiful autumn day here. Not too cold. Very nice. Putting pink. Let me see. No. The black thing goes on the inside.
I know, Rue was just